Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are going to start with our lecture today for the environment of Pakistan. This is part of the current syllabus that is going to be applicable for May, June 2027 as well as October, November 2026. So this is part of the environment of Pakistan 2059/2 and the topic covers is forest of Pakistan. So let's begin. Ideally speaking, a country's 20 to 30% of total area should be covered with forest. Now, this chapter covers the different types of forest, identify on a map their main locations, and understand why certain type of trees are found in a particular location, what are the natural factors, what are the human factors which limit their presence in that area, then understand what are the different strategies which have been adopted by people to grow trees on the Indus Plain as well as on the mountain slopes and plateaus. And why are we growing these forests? What is the importance, significance, environmental, economic benefit from these forests? And what are the threats that these forests are facing, like deforestation, and what is the impact of the deforestation, and what could be the possible solution for the sustainability to reduce or to tackle the problems caused by deforestation. So let's talk about the importance first. As you know, trees are considered as lungs for the world. So we can see that if the forests are not there, the carbon dioxide percentage in the air will increase to a certain extent that the human sustainability, human life is not going to be possible. Not only that, but also the soil fertility will be limited, as the forests do provide the humus, and their leaves and branches and decompose, they add to the fertility of the soil. So the forests are not there, the ecosystem definitely will be suffering. There are different types of forests, productive and productive forest. You can see there are natural forests which are found in the abundance, tree density is high. They have high commercial value. They are mainly used from the timber extraction, and these are called the productive forests, which we have along the northern areas. Productive forests are those which are like grown along the roads, as amenities in cities, in our houses. These are planted by people, and they have less commercial value except for the keeping the air pleasant, lowering the temperature. So these are called the protective forests. And what do we get from these forests? The main output is timber that we use for construction, the fuel wood that we use for burning, where the natural gas is not found. And the minor products are also resin, muslin, and ephedra. Resin, as you can see, is like ephedra is medicinal plant. Muslin is the shrub that is used by for the making of the mat, and resin is the sticky gluey material that we use for the in the medicines as well as in varnishing, like glorifying and shining for the furniture, etc. There are different types of forests found in Pakistan: alpine, coniferous, subtropical, tropical, and riverine, then mangrove, and then last one is the irrigated forest. So the details will be covered in the future lesson.